if you're running a restaurant website, or if you list your restaurant in a food delivery company like DoorDash or GrabFood, then it is highly recommended to use high quality images for the dishes because it will make the product more appetizing for the user. For example, this is nasi padang. This is an traditional Indonesian food, but this is not a real picture. At least this picture was created by AI. However, it was based on this photo. So this is the original photo and this is the recreation using AI. And as you can see, it looks more professional. Maybe it's a bit darker, but it's something that is easy to fix. But basically it looks way better than this original photo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a regular looking or amateur photo into something that was taken by a real professional photographer using ChatGPT. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. First, let's open ChatGPT and then you can log in with your account. And here I'm going to upload a picture. I'm going to click on this button, click add photos and files, and then I'm going to select this taco picture. And for the prompt, you can pause this video and then you can copy this, or you can just check the video description and then copy this full prompt. And by the way, while you're there, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more AI tutorials. Anyway, I'm going to select all the text, right click, copy, and then paste that into ChatGPT. Here at the end, you can actually select the aspect ratio into, like, let's say 1:1 or 9:16 if you want to get a square or vertical aspect ratio, but in this case I'll try to use a horizontal aspect ratio. And after that, click tools, enable create an image, and send the message to ChatGPT, and just wait for about 1 or 2 minutes for ChatGPT to turn this amateur looking photo into something that is very professional. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so this is the result. It looks really amazing. So if you compare it to the original picture, you can tell that it's night and day. And by the way, if you want to download the picture, you can open it and then click the download button right here. So that's basically it. You can use this prompt for pretty much any picture, especially that is food related, to turn any amateur photo into something that looked like it was created or taken by a professional photographer. Now, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.